This is my Squishie and Stretchy collection of fidgets. First I have a balloon stress ball that I made myself. I've got lots of these that I made with just flour and a balloon. Next I have 7 monkey noodles and 1 monkey noodle which is a llama. Now I have 3 squishies, well 4 squishies. I have 1 mesh ball, 3 globbles, 1 foam stress ball. Actually, they should go in this drawer. One sand dog squishy. 3 Mudge Mudge. I don't know where all the other ones went. This squishy pony is really hard to squish. I've got 1 more squishy and some slime. Oh, forgot. I've got this cute little chipmunk that comes out of this log. So cute. Bye. See you in the next video.